So for this recipe, I will be using organic blue agave powder. It is just 100% organic blue agave with no additional ingredients. I will have a link in the description box below if you'd like to purchase this product. I'm blending it in a coffee grinder to get a finer powder. And I'm going to mix 1 cup with a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil that I have melted, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut milk. And I did add in a dash of vanilla extract. You can omit the vanilla extract. You can also use whatever kind of milk you want. And if you want a thicker or thinner glaze, just adjust the amount of coconut oil and milk that you choose to add. And there you have it.